G'day! Today we're going to upgrade my old 084 chainsaw. We're going to take off the 24-inch bar, the old bar, and we're going to fit the new 42-inch bar. And then we're going to take it out and see if it's still up to cutting a 40-inch log, being as old as it is. So, my name is Paul, this is Molly, welcome back to the Comma Depot, and let's get on with it. What do you think, Miles? Let's go. Just going to stop Big Me there for a second. If you haven't seen the first video on this 084, I'll leave a link at the end of this video in the end screen to check it out. This 084 I actually found at the tip and then fixed it up and brought it back to life, and that's all in that video. You can watch that. I'm fitting the 42-inch bar really just to see how she's going to go, see if the old 084's still got it when it comes to cutting with a big bar. I'm pretty sure it will have. Anyway, also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, little red button down there. Thanks for watching, guys. Back to Big Me. wasn't too much of an effort for the 084. She still works perfectly. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and from Molly and me, we'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Let's go, Miles.